Hello friends, welcome to Freshers Now YouTube channel. Today we are going to know about how to fill MP Cooperative Bank Online Application Form 2022. To register, you have to open your Google tab and here you have to search for how to fill MP Cooperative Bank Online Application Form 2022 Freshers Now. Click on enter. Here you can see our website. To go for the official website, you have to scroll down. And here you can see to apply online for the clerk or computer operator society manager. So you have to click here. Here is the official website. If you are already a registered candidate, you have to log in here. Or else you have to click here for new registration, and here you have to enter your basic details. First of all, enter your name, then confirm your name, and then scroll down. Here you have to enter your mobile number and then confirm your mobile number, and then scroll down. Here you have to enter your mail ID. And here you have to select your domain, and here you have to confirm your mail ID. And here you have to enter the CAPTCHA, and then click on save and next. Click on OK. Here you have to upload your photograph and signature. So scroll down. Here you have to upload your photograph. So click on choose file. And here you have to declare that this is your photo. So click on that. And then here you have to upload your signature. So click on choose file. And here also you have to confirm that the signature is yours. And then click on next. Here you have to give your details. First of all, select the post you are applying for. And then you have to select that you are the candidate of Madhya Pradesh or outside of Madhya Pradesh. So select that, and here you have to select that have you done registration in MP employment portal. If yes means click on yes, or else no. And here you have to select your category, means your caste. Click on OK. And here you have to select that applied category, on which category you are applying, and then enter the selected caste number. After that you have to select are you a physically challenged person or not, and then scroll down. Here you have to select that are you seeking age relaxation under women reservation. If yes means you can click on yes, or else you can click on no. After you have to select that are you an employee of regular basis in MP State Cooperative Bank or not, and here are you already working or worked in DCCBs on contractual basis or not, and here are you a family member of board of directors on any DCCB, and here you have to select your religion which you belong, and here you have to select that do you belong to religious minority community, are you an ex-army man, and here you have to enter your nationality and citizenship. Here do you have Aadhaar card or not. If yes means you have to enter your Aadhaar card number. And then select the center of the examination, and here you have to select your date of birth and select your gender. Do you have twin brother or sister, and then select your marital status, and then enter your father name, your mother name. Here you have to enter your address details. Here you have to enter your district. Here you have to select your state and then your area pin code. Here you have to click on this box if your permanent address is same as correspondent address. Scroll down. Here you have to choose the address for GST invoicing. Here you can see the application fee. Before clicking on save and next, you have to go top of the page, and here you must have to select that you are the domicile of Madhya Pradesh state. After that, you also select that you have done your registration in MP employment portal and then enter the MP employment portal registration number. If you are not the domicile of Madhya Pradesh state, then you are not eligible for this application, and you have not done your registration in MP employment portal means then also you are not eligible for this application. So then you have to scroll down and then you have to click on save and next. Here you have to give your educational details. First of all, here you have to select your subject in graduation and then select the date of passing and enter the percentage of marks you gained and select the grade. And here you have to select your post graduation stream and here you have to select the passing year and enter the percentage of marks and select the grade. Here you have to enter your professional qualification and enter date of passing and percentage of marks and select the grade. Here you have to select the diploma subjects and select the date of passing, enter the percentage, select the grade, select the certification and select date of passing, enter the percentage you gained, select the grade and scroll down. Here you have to select that have you done modern office management course from Government Polytechnic College. If yes means you can click on yes or else you can click on no. And here do you have knowledge of English and Hindi typing. If yes means you can click on yes or else you can click on no. For this application you should have the knowledge of English and Hindi typing. Without the knowledge of English and Hindi typing you are not eligible for this application. So scroll down. Here you have to give your experience details, name of the employer and your designation, are you presently working or not, and select the date you started working and select the date you stopped your working and enter your nature of duties and enter the reason of leaving and then scroll down. Here you have to enter your known language, which language you know. If you can read the language, you can click here. You can write means click on that, and if you can speak that language, you can click here. And here you can enter the languages you know. After that, you have to click on save and next. Here you have to select your organization preferences. Here you have to select all the organizations according to your order of preference. After selection, you have to enter the CAPTCHA and then click on save and next. Here is a preview of your registration details. Once check the details carefully and then scroll down. And here you have to declare that the information given by you is completely true. And here you have to enter the CAPTCHA and then click on complete registration. Click on OK. Here you have to upload your left thumb impression. So click on choose file, click on OK. And here you have to upload your handwritten declaration. So click on choose file and then enter the CAPTCHA and click on save and next. Click on OK. Here you can see the amount you have to pay and here you have to enter the CAPTCHA and then click on submit. Do you want to submit? Click on OK. And here you have to select the payment options and enter your card details and then click on make payment. Here after the payment only your application will be considered as an valid application or else your application will be rejected. So that's it guys. I hope you understood the process of how to fill MP Cooperative Bank online application form 2022 registration process. Thank you friends.